What is up, obscure tech folks? Bark coming at you yet again with my first PTZ camera. Yeah, the Retekess. Retekess TC202, a PTZ camera. Big sucker. This will run you about $367 on Amazon, $399 on Retekess's website. It has a 12 times optical zoom, 16 times digital zoom. It's 1080p. You can link up multiple of these together. You can mount it to a tripod, quarter 20 there on the bottom. Let's unbox it. Let's use it in the house, bring it back to the studio, and just see how this would be useful for a tech guy like me. All right, let's take a look at what all came in the box for the Retekess PTZ cam. Yeah, it's not in there perfectly. I may have unboxed this once before. Oh, daggone, that's big. Before we get too into the actual device, there's some other stuff in here. We have a USB-A to C cable with a locking mechanism. We'll unwrap it. USB-A 3.0. USB-C with a locking pin. HDMI, just an HDMI cable, you know, HDMI. Wow, got a remote control. Pretty nice looking remote. Doesn't look super janky or cheap. Looks good. Power pack to power the device. Adapters for the EU. Uh-oh. Oh no. Ah, there's our United States of insanity. So yeah, adapters for just about every country. Got some screws and wall anchors and all that stuff in case we need to mount it on this big metal plate. Then we got the Retekess PTZ camera itself. Big sucker. Got some feet on the bottom there. Take the lens cap off. There's the whole beast in its whole glory. On the back of the device, we have an Ethernet port, HDMI, USB 3.0. We have a line in for good audio, an RS485 port, the green one there, an RS232 port there in the middle with the silver around it, and we have a 12-volt power pack adapter. I am excited, and if it looks good, maybe we can make some videos with the Retekess. Let's get it hooked up. Okay, so this is the Retekess PTZ camera. By default, I think it has no backlight, but there's a backlight button that will brighten everything up. I think the picture quality is pretty good. We can pan left, we can pan right, we can pan up, we can pan down. And be way over here. I'm using a wireless camera. We're going to zoom in on me. Do 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 do, wap 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 wap, do 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 do, wap 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 wap. Bom bom bom, wap 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 wap. There we go. From all the way over here. Zooming in. Looks pretty good. Turn the backlight off. How's that look? Backlight. You want me to zoom in on you real quick? I could even get Jude, probably. Whoa! I hit home. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, I hit the home button. Okay, there's something new. Ah, this is fun. Jude. Jude, 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 Jude. Jude, 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 Jude. Jude. Let's see. There you are. Now you're in focus. That autofocus is pretty good. There's Jude eating popcorn, having a great time. PTZ, not exactly conferencing it up, but there's a slow zoom. all the way. Let's go all the way. Boo-doo-doo. Yeah, home. PTZ, Retekess. May have to see how it does on a studio setting video. Could be cool. Could be great. Okay, so now I have the PTZ camera, the Retekess, set up in my studio. And yeah, this is pretty interesting. It doesn't look bad. I'm going to be like talking to you sort of, but also looking at my feed here. Let's see. I want to center up a little bit here. A little zoomed in. I don't have it as far back as I would like because I can't. I've got too much stuff going on behind it. Didn't show you all this in the living room or whatever, but we can hit menu. And we've got exposure, color, image, noise reduction, setup, communication setup, blah, 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 blah. I'm not going to go through all of them, but there is a lot of tweaking you can do. I went to image, and I found that the best low light setting was style on normal. Now, there's other things. There's like bright, and there's all these other things, but this is normal. I'm also going to slap on my preferred look in here. My presets in my editor that kind of darken things up and contrast things up a little bit. So I'll do that now. And, yeah, this is what I would do if I made a video with this. So yeah, we got AI features here. Let's go. Let's see here. Let's get out of here. Let's go into AI mode. I don't know what tracking mode, basically what they consider AI is. Tracking mode. I do like that the menu pops up on the screen when you're using it. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There it is. There it is. It's tracking me. No complaints here, man. It's doing well. Get a little sneak peek at the studio here. Yeah. What if I was to try to go out the door? Could you find me? Yes, you could. My studio is not very big. So for my first PTZ experience, I'm pretty pleased. Let's get out of this AI mode real quick. There we go. Stop tracking. Home. Boom. Boom. And zoom. Boom and zoom. Boom and zoom, baby. This is nice. I like really, really nice. I'm trying to think of like, what am I going to use this for? Because I think it does a really good job. Again, I've not had any other PTZ cameras. Technically, my Insta360 Link is a PTZ camera. It will track and do all that stuff as well. But the optical zoom and the focus when it zooms in, like in there, that was far away when I got my kid eating at the table. That was pretty cool. Pretty incredible. The hookups on here, you know, this is nice. I know $3.99 is that like sweet spot as far as Amazon goes. There's a lot of different PTZ cameras in this price range. So I guess at the end of the day, I'm looking at a ton of them right now and they're all about the same price as this, like everything. Let's see if there's anything way cheaper. Seeing the ones I'm looking at one here that's like $269, doesn't have as many hookups on the back. Yeah, not as many hookups and an old school input. This USB-C on the back working great. See, I found some other ones, but the lenses just don't look as big. This is great though. I gotta say, I really enjoy cameras that aren't like point and shoot, and the fact that you can get something like this, this could be so useful in the bedroom. Let me tell you, so useful. Might find out. Won't see it here, but my God, so useful. I'm gonna say, like, from the time I hooked this thing up, I've not had any problems. It's been smooth sailing. The remote is really nice. The features are really nice. Everything's just working really well. It is what it is, and it does what it's supposed to do, and I think it does a pretty good job. I like that it's got that 3.5 millimeter input jack on the back. check on the back. This thing has everything I would need to record and do stuff that I do. It's real tempting to like just mount this thing to my wall somewhere if I can find the space and zoom into that couch a little bit and do, podcasting with, because I've got some mic arms and stuff set up there, and I could literally move the angle back and forth, like set that up to where I could go back and forth between me and another person and just have that shot and like eliminate that editing. I really like this, man. The TC202 from Retekess. They did send it over. I appreciate it. I'm very, very happy with it. So until I try another PTZ camera that can rival this thing, the first one is going to be the best one until something beats it. And for something to beat this, it's going to have to be pretty good, because this is pretty good. This is pretty good indeed. Retekess TC202 is out of here. Bark is out of here, referring to myself in the third person. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. This was a new foray for me, but I've done webcams. I've done other cameras. This was fun. Had a lot of fun with this. I'll see you guys next time on Obscure Tech.